Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon bear riding a sled. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, we're going to be drawing a bear taking a big sled riding down a hill. So let's begin. So what I'm going to do right now is create the action line, as you see, for the body and his hands and for his sled. All right, I'm creating just really quick areas where his hands are going to be right now, and his hat's going to be flowing in the back. I got to put a hat on top of him. All right, his body there, and he's going to be like kneeling in this sled. I'm working on around his face right now. It's just a basic shape. Actually, this little character has actually been on tattoos and on stickers. And here we go, working on the sled right now. Just building the basic areas. All right, he's like sitting in it right now. Okay, let's get his eyes going right now. So that crosshair in there, it helps me to know where the eye is going to be looking. The eyes, should I say? All right, let's get the other one up and rolling by there. There we go. That's looking good. Yeah, and then to get his eyebrows up there. Like that. And okay, let's get ready for his nose. That's going to be like right around here. There we go. All right, let's get his mouth open. Big smile. Again, he's having a good time coming down that hill. All right, finishing that up. Just doing the speed lines inside to give some shading. Helps to share the difference area. Getting his cheek, put a little fluff on there, a little hair, those little indents there. Okay, that's looking good. And as you notice, as I'm sketching, sometimes I might pause and look where I am, and my eye or my attention as an artist might take me to another location outside the face at times. Well, I'm still sticking to the ear right now, and I could just like say, okay, let's work on his hands now. Since it's behind, I got his face kind of laid out. So when your creativity kicks in and your eye brings you to another location on that picture, that's good. Now, you might be at a different location than I am if you looked at the model sheet, the final one, not right now though. All right, let's get the other ear there. As you can see, this ear here is a little smaller than the other side. That's foreshortening. That's on the depth. That's that perspective. It's on the other side of the face. It shouldn't be the same side. All right, here we go. Get the little body there is in there. His hand. He's wearing a little suit. Fit him in there. Okay, get this little belt on there. All right, that's a small sled. So in the front of the sled, it's going to be much wider than the back. That's the perspective once again. So you can see how it's small back there, and the front one's like twice the length. That gives you that motion and that action. And after I finish this one, I will take it into Photoshop and re-render it a lot tighter with my brown pencil. And from there, I'll ink it in Illustrator and airbrush it in Photoshop. So there's 3 more stages after this picture to complete it. This is just a thumbnail sketch. All right, just sketching it out. There's the top part of the sled right now. As you can see, it's much bigger than the back. And that's a good indication for that perspective. That gets a lot of motion. All right, let's get the bottom part. All right. That's getting his 2 little feet in the back. There we go. Let's work on his hands here. His hands are like wide open. Really excited about going down this hill. And as always, I mention it time to time, you may want to have a stopwatch and just time yourself on how long it take you to do this illustration as well as your own illustration. If it's just like you're thumbnailing your own concept and idea, just write down the time and see how fast you're getting. The progression is pretty good when you do more and more practice. If you practice daily, you'll get a lot sharper and much better as an artist. Okay, this guy underneath his arm there. Give him a little collar there on the top of his there. He's a little bear. Could be his little scarf inside. Work on the other hand now. There we go. Let's get this thumb first. I'll have some lessons on hand poses so that you guys can see different variety techniques and how to build a hand. There's many different ways from a cartoon to a human hand. Because my cartoons, I only have 4 fingers. But traditionally, some might even have 5 as a cartoonist. That's your imagination or your creation of your character. All right, there's this bottom of the sled. It's getting a little bit darker. Let's work around him right now and clean him up a little bit, a little tighter, so I can get my brown pencil and finish him up. And again, I'm not worried about any lines that might look smaller, bigger, overlapping, or kind of like too many lines. Again, this is a sketch that I'll take to my Photoshop. I'll make it in a layer transparent, and I will take a new layer and draw right on top of that as if it was a light box. Let's get his ear there a little bit more. There we go. Let's get his little side of his cheek. In the case there, and those little lines there are just for his cap. All right, let's get the speed lines in there right now. Yeah, really quick. That's the motion that he just came from. And let's get some smoke, like a little powder duff. Okay, here we go. Little cloudy, little puff of smoke there. All right, that's looking good. And again, when I'm inking it in or even re-rendering with the updated pencil, I might change it. All right, let's sign and date it. And as always, thanks a lot for watching this video, but stay tuned to watch the pencil. And there's the final pencil that I did in Photoshop. And from there, I took it to ink it in.
Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio. And on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.